All right, so listen, can you speak a bit louder? I can't quite hear you.
Oh, I just said it. Taxing reception. How can I help you?
Hi, sister. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Oh,
How are you?
it's a good day. The best day I've ever had in my life.
Oh, that's very good.
Oh, do you know, I know you don't give your names at Watchtower, but, do you know Paul Gillies is, in the coordinate, you know, the helpers of the governing body in different committees, like the writing committee, publishing committee.
Yeah.
Well, Paul Gillies is is in the coordinators committee. I was just listening to a talk on JW.org, and it was on about the safeguard thinking ability. Yeah. Well, basically, I've sent him emails. I've got Neo email, and what it does, it flicks up a notification when he's opened my email. He's opened up my email 6 or 7 times to prove I've done a document, 88-page document to prove that Jerusalem wasn't destroyed in 607, and it's absolutely brilliant. Oh, you cannot even. Why would he open my email 6 times, sister? Because it's defected. It's defected. In fact, it's Revelation chapter 7 about the beast, you know. Did you know? And he actually comes before a committee and gets disfellowshipped. Oh, by the way, sister, I'm Jehovah God Almighty. And what you'll do now, like they've all done, is put the phone down because you're scared. Look at my YouTube channel, JEHOVAH'S, HACC, and look at all the supernatural miracles, sister. Bit shocking, isn't it? Do you think it's impossible for God to come down to earth, sister? Luke chapter 1 verse 37. Nothing is impossible for God. Gone again, haven't you? Are you still on there or not? Ha ha. Oh well, have a nice day.